Hey everyone, today we're diving into something creating a lot of buzz, testing AI tools that claim to humanize your content and help you pass AI detection tests. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about AI, this is going to be an interesting ride. We're using GPT-Zero to evaluate each tool's effectiveness. So let's jump right in. Which AI do you prefer? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons. First on our list is Writesonic. This tool is known for its versatility and has a lot of buzz around it. So let's see how it handles our test content. And Writesonic didn't quite cut. It failed to pass the test. Although it's a powerful tool for content creation, it seems like it still leaves a bit of an AI footprint behind. Next up is AiSEO, which is often praised for optimizing content. Let's see if it can optimize itself out of an AI detector's radar. Unfortunately, AiSEO also didn't pass the test. It's a solid choice for SEO purposes, but when it comes to fooling AI detectors, it seems to struggle. Now, let's talk about Stealthwriter. With a name like that, you'd expect it to be a pro at sneaking past AI detection, right? Well, Stealthwriter lives up to its name. It passed with flying colors, scoring a remarkable 9 by human. This is a tool that truly delivers on its promise, making it a strong contender if you need human-like content. Fourth in line is HumanizeAI.io, and this one had a bit of a rocky start. On the first try, it didn't even generate any content, which wasn't a great sign. I decided to give it another shot, and it finally produced something on the second attempt. But despite the initial hiccup, it didn't manage to pass the test, failing to fool the AI detector. It's clear that this tool still has some refining to do. Now let's try out AiHumanizer.com. This one's known for its simplicity and ease of use. After running the test, we've got a success. iHumanid.com scored 73% human. While not the highest score, it's definitely on the board, making it a viable option if you're looking for a straightforward tool. Next, we have Humanizer.org. This tool is a bit of an underdog, so I'm curious to see how it performs. And it pleasantly surprised us. Humanizer.org passed with a score of 86% human. It's completely free and delivers solid results, proving that you don't always need to pay for quality. Next, we have Humanizer.org. This tool is a bit of an underdog, so I'm curious to see how it performs. And it pleasantly surprised us. Humanizer.org passed with a score of 86% human. It's completely free and delivers solid results, proving that you don't always need to pay for quality. Last but not least, let's test Undetectable.ai. This tool has gained popularity for its claims of being, well, undetectable, and after putting it to the test, it passed with a 61 human score. It's not as high as some of the others, but it still manages to stay under the radar. Now that we've tested all 8 tools, let's take a look at the 5 that passed and rank them based on their performance and features. But before we dive into the rankings, it's important to mention that these tools and scores aren't always consistent. For example, when I personally tested HumanizeAI.pro earlier, it completely failed. So, while these rankings can guide you, it's crucial to test your content with AI detectors like GPTZero and others every time. Here's how the top 5 stacks up. Stealthwriter scored 96% human. This is the top choice if you need the best human-like content with premium features. HumanizeAI.pro scored 95% human. It's free and nearly matches Stealthwriter in performance, making it an excellent choice if you don't want to spend money but need high-quality results. Humanizer.org scored 86% human, another completely free option that performed very well. It's ideal if you want a reliable, no-cost tool. AiHumanize.com scored 73% human. It's a good option for straightforward tasks with a clean, simple interface. Undetectable.ai scored 61% human. This tool is a decent choice if you're looking for a paid option with unique features, but it didn't score as high as the others. I've included links to all the tools in the description so you can try them out yourself. Let me know in the comments what tools or topics you'd like to see me compare next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.